This is my lovely 139-654,000 on my 9x7 Clope, fully insulated. That's always cool to see. Push button. Here we go. This is a new inbox unit that I got about 3-4 years ago. Been using it basically ever since then. No problems, no issues. This is from Canada, so that's why you see the model number is different. This is from 1975. Probably one of my favorite openers ever. Have this to use the keyless entry. Nice and quiet. Get a little squeak out of the force. A little force wheel up top there. That little gear squeaks. Beautiful release handle. Beautiful white light lens. Got two LED bulbs in there. This is the keyless entry I was speaking of. Use that all the time. Alright guys, it's a video. Have a good one.